Welcome to our tutorial on how to create scheduled tasks in Sellercloud. Scheduled tasks allow you to automate certain tasks and set them to recur at specific intervals. This can include tasks such as importing information, generating pick lists, and exporting information. To create a scheduled task, first, go to the Scheduled Tasks section. Go to Settings, Schedule Tasks and click Manage Schedule Tasks. Then, press the green plus icon at the bottom right corner to create a new scheduled task. A pop-up will appear. Choose the task type, task name, company, and start time. The start time includes a calendar date and time. You can select both values from the calendar and time view pop-ups. Enter the information required and then click Create. Next, you will need to configure the task details and specify the task frequency. To do this, click Edit and schedule the task to recur at your desired intervals. You have the option to set it hourly, daily, or even custom for specific days of the week and times. If desired, you can also set an Expire Schedule date to end the task on a specific date. In addition, you can add notes about the scheduled task in the queued job note field. These notes will be visible on the queued job. You also have the option to set up email alerts upon completion of the task. To do this, you need to configure your SMTP settings on a company level. Although tasks run on schedule, you can execute a task manually at any time. To do so, simply click on the Execute Task icon. Right next to it is the button that enables and disables the task. To view and manage your scheduled tasks, open the Scheduled Tasks page with a grid of all your tasks. You can access the task by clicking the task ID. If you check the task, the green button for creating a new task turns in a blue action button. Here you have an options to delete, execute or clone the task. Now let's see how to set up SMTP settings on a company level. Go to Settings, Companies, and select your company. Go to Toolbox, type SMTP and click on SMTP Settings. Click Edit. Fill in the SMTP settings fields, the name of your account, the email address that will display in outgoing emails, SMTP server and the port distributing of your provider. Fill the username and password of your account. Check one or both checkboxes if necessary. Server requires SSL connection and outgoing server, SMTP, requires authentication. Click Save. Those were the base settings and options for working with scheduled tasks and setting up SMTP settings in Sellercloud. Thanks for watching.